KubetaWoman here. Hi and welcome to my channel where I try to show you how to do easy woodworking projects that you can try by yourself. Many of these are weekend projects that you can simply just do like that. It's January and many of the schools are starting and many of the learners are going to go back to school. If the COVID situation continues the way it is here in Southern Africa, I think that many will do e-learning. And so for today's project, we've designed something very simple that you can do for your desk. It's a little desk organizer where you can put your cell phone, your paper clips, and small little pins, as well as pen holders. So I hope you enjoy this project. So we start off with two blocks that are 20 centimeters wide, 50 millimeters in width, and 20 millimeters in depth. So a rather thicker block would be better for this project. What you have here is that for the top block we have you have to decide what it is your phone is like, so you can chisel that out so your phone can sit there. Then we have pens and pencils, which is just general drill holes. And for the bottom block we decided to just do a circles out, so and go in with a Forstner bit. We have 4 of these, so you're able to put in like pins and staples and paper clips and little items that tape that you decide what will work best for your desk organizer. Alright, now in order to start, what I've done is I've got a block of which I've already taken the Forstner bit, made a mold, so to say, and then I clamp it down, and that gives you a little bit more control because the Forstner bit tends to shake around quite a bit. And so with this you can make nice and clean holes. And there you can see that I've got one hole down, and you just shake it out. You decide the depth of it, so I can still go back. In this case I went back and I wanted to make more holes. There you have 4 more holes all laid out. Alright, then moving on to the second block, we're going to make some pen holes there and pencils on the other side. And then we're gonna chisel out the center piece so we can put our cell phone in. To start with, we clamp down our piece, and then we're gonna drill in to the depth of whatever your pen you want to have your pens sit in very comfortably. You'll also see that after I've drilled this in, I sort of test to see whether the pens are going to sit very comfortably in the holes, right? So try it in different ways. Alright, I go in with a chisel in the center. You first start out with marking out the outline, and then we start chiseling on the inside and using the back side to chisel out. Here I've chiseled in, you can see I've drilled in the 2 holes on the side and then chiseled the wood out inside. I'm checking my phone to see whether it sits very comfortably, whether it doesn't wiggle or fall out. If that's the case, then I should actually go in a little deeper. Alright, what we need now is just taking a sandpaper, cleaning things out, and we can decide whether you want to paint it or stain it. The one disadvantage I do have to say, I should have used a hardwood. This was very soft, and so it was very difficult to work with. For this project, I would recommend that you use a harder wood. As you can see, The wood I used was very soft, but nonetheless it turned out great. So I hope that you all are going to take an opportunity to try this out. From KubetaWoman, with love and kisses always.